In this presentation, we will discuss about advance and quarterly estimates of GDP, accounting framework in compilation of advance and quarterly estimates is same as that used in annual estimates, which is SNA 2008 framework. Here also, same principles, definitions, and structures as followed for annual accounts are followed. The quarterly estimates are less complete than annual accounts due to limited data and time availability. As we will see subsequently, that quarterly estimates at national level are released with a time lag of only 2 months. The data and time available is indeed very limited. The quarterly estimates capture current economic developments more timely than annual accounts. As I mentioned, the quarterly estimates are released with a time lag of only 2 months, whereas the annual estimates are released with a time lag of around 10 months or more. The quarterly estimates are more comprehensive than any other short-term indicators. Let us try to understand this with the help of IIP, the Index of Industrial Production. The IIP data reflects changes in industrial production. We can draw inferences about the growth or decline in manufacturing sector using IIP data, whereas quarterly data reflects the overall health of the economy as a whole. Now coming to release calendar of quarterly estimates, as I mentioned, at national level, quarterly estimates are released with a time lag of 2 months. Accordingly, quarter one estimates comprising the months of April, May, and June are released on the last working day of August. Likewise, quarter two estimates comprising the months of July, August, and September are released on last working day of November. The same is true for quarter three and quarter four. Now coming to revision policy of quarterly estimates. At national level, quarter one and quarter two estimates are revised along with revision, along with release of second advance estimates, which are released on 28th February, and then with the release of provisional estimates, which are released on 31st May. Besides, these are revised subsequently with revision in annual estimates. Quarter three estimates are revised along with provisional estimates, which are released on 31st May. Besides, these are revised with subsequent revisions in annual estimates. Q4 estimates are revised with revisions in annual estimates. As regards release calendar and revision policy of annual estimates, first advance estimates are released on 7th of January. In case 7th of January is holiday, the first advance estimates are released on the previous working day of 7th January. Second advance estimates are released on last working day of February. Provisional estimates are released on last working day of May. The first revised estimates, including second and third revised estimates of previous years, are released on 31st January. Now coming to compilation method. At national level, for quarterly and advance estimates, we use benchmark indicator method. States may also use benchmark indicator method in compilation of quarterly and advance estimates at a state level. In benchmark indicator method, for each industry group, a key indicator or a set of key indicators are used to extrapolate the GVA in the corresponding period of previous year. In case of volume-based indicators, constant price estimates are worked first. In case indicators are available in nominal terms, current price estimates may be prepared first. A care should be taken to ensure that the quarterly and annual estimates are consistent with each other. Ideally, the quarterly estimate should be computed both from production as well as expenditure approaches. In the subsequent slides, a tentative list of indicators is given. This list is not exhaustive, it is indicative only. States may use the indicators which are relevant to them. This list may be augmented with the indicators which are more appropriate to states. Thank you.